Just picked up this 2000 Polaris Trailblazer 250 for $250. That's exactly how it came. Owner said the carb needs cleaned. Let's see how true that is. After cleaning the carb and it still wouldn't start, I decided to do a compression check, which you can see here. 60 pounds. I'm gonna say it's a little low. I forgot to record a video of the startup, but I threw some new piston rings in it and the thing fired right up. So the total price breakdowns, I paid $250, $52 in parts, and I did already sell this machine for $1,000.